So Matt, sausage rolls, you and I both love making a good sausage roll.
Yep.
But is there a secret to your recipe?
This one is a sausage roll that even when you take it out of the oven and let it cool a bit, it's still really juicy. And the secret ingredient for that is cream. A little bit of cream will keep your sausage rolls juicier for longer. We'll start with 500 grams of beef mince, 200 grams of beef sausage meat, grated onion. This is going to keep your mixture super moist if it's grated rather than chopped. A carrot, grated because you've got to hide some veggies for the kids. Half a cup of breadcrumbs, nice big little hole to lose the garlic in. Garlic, there's some parsley for colour, 1 egg, and finally,
Your secret ingredient.
a quarter cup of cream. Do you want to season it as well? A little bit of salt.
I will.
While you still can touch the salt. Now we could use a spoon for this, but really,
No, the best way is using your hands.
we're going to roll these in shop-bought puff pastry, super easy.
Okay, so just cut your sheet of pastry in half across the middle. Put the mince mixture down the centre. Brush egg on the edge. Roll it over. So then we're going to cut them into thirds. And then brush some egg on top. This will give them that beautiful glossy sausage roll look. And then you cut the slits on top. So we're just going to cut 3 slits into each one. The really important thing here is to cut the slits after you have put your egg wash on, so the egg wash doesn't cover up the slits and so they can still breathe when they're cooking, so that the pastry goes nice and golden and crispy. We're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and we're going to pop those on the tray and they're ready for baking. It's time to bake these, 200 degrees for 35 minutes. So the sausage rolls are done.
Ooh, they smell amazing.
They do. And what have you got there?
It's a little combination of mayonnaise and barbecue sauce, a dipping sauce, nothing fancy. They're so flaky.
They are flaky.
Sausage roll, secret ingredient, a little bit of cream to keep them juicy, moist. Let's see how these go.
I'm in already.
Sausage roll with a little bit of cream in them, extra juicy, extra tasty. Try it at home. And for other great ideas like this, Michelle, where do we go?
We go to taste.com.au.
We certainly do.